Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Panasonic Soundbar SC-HTB258 Soundbar. This is very flat, very compact soundbar with wireless subwoofer, 120 watts power. This soundbar deserves your attention. You can hook this up to your TV via optical cable, HDMI, and also Bluetooth connection. This soundbar is very flat. It can go underneath Panasonic TV, but it doesn't go to all the TV, so it can't go underneath all the TV. So this is LG TV. So the stand actually goes, okay, so for Panasonic, so it goes underneath TV, okay, Panasonic TV, but not in all TV. Okay, now what I want to show you is how to set this Panasonic up. There's the audio, connect the soundbar to the power. Then this is the power cable for this soundbar. Okay, so push it inside, then plug it on to the socket, to the power socket. Okay, and this is the remote control. Before we do anything, let's check this. This soundbar is 45 centimeter width, and this end is 13.5 centimeter, and this subwoofer is 10 centimeter from this end to this end. Okay, and from the front to the back is 30 centimeter. Then from the bottom, okay, to the top is 45 centimeter. Now what we want to do is to connect this soundbar to test the audio quality with my mobile device. So we need to first of all switch the soundbar on. Okay, and once you switch it on, you can see the light. Okay, you can see the light. Okay, and what you need to do now is, the moment this is in cinema, okay, mode, and HDMI, so we need to change it from optical to Bluetooth. Okay, so you can select this to music, cinema. Okay, now use the remote control, okay, to select Bluetooth. Okay, and you can see the Bluetooth light is now flashing. Okay, and now what you need to do, and so if you look also to the subwoofer, you can see the wireless link. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to use our mobile device, and so go to your mobile device settings, okay, and go to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, select Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and switch the Bluetooth on, and you can see the Bluetooth is on. Okay, the next thing you need to do is select the Bluetooth, and it will start to look for available device. Okay, so now you can see SC-HTB258. Select on it, and it's asking us now Bluetooth pair request. Select pair, and it's connected. If you look on top, you will see it's connected. If you check on this soundbar, you can see a steady blue light is no longer flashing. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to test the audio quality using Epidemic Sound. Okay, so we test the audio to Epidemic Sound. I use Epidemic Sound. This is the sound. Beautiful. Beautiful. can increase the volume. Also give it, and leave it flat. You can also change it from cinema to music. So select sound to change it from cinema to music. This is beautiful soundbar. Deserves your attention. This is nice soundbar. what you want to do is to first of all connect this to TV using optical cable. Okay, and to do this, this is optical cable. Okay, so you go in to optical cable, push it inside. Okay, and it's in. So push it inside, and this optical cable is in. Now the next thing to do is, while you are doing this, is also make sure you switch the soundbar off from the power. Okay, because this optical cable transfer audio sound. Okay, now I have LG TV here. This soundbar can sit underneath Panasonic TV, but it doesn't sit underneath all the TV. Okay, this is LG TV, so it doesn't sit underneath it. It's actually built for Panasonic TV in mind, but this soundbar you can hook it up to any TV. Okay, so once you hook up the optic cable to this end of the soundbar, then the next is do the same thing to the TV. Okay, so take this end of the optical cable, okay, to the back of the TV. You can see where it's written optical digital audio. Push it inside and it's in. Okay, you can see it's in. Okay, now the next we need to do is we need to also remember to connect the TV antenna. Okay, so this is the TV antenna. Okay, so hook up the TV antenna. Now the next to do is to plug in the TV. Plug the TV to the socket. Also plug in the soundbar. So plug in the soundbar, subwoofer, and the TV to the power socket. Okay, and this in. Now the next we need to do is we need to switch the TV on. You can see the subwoofer. Okay, so switch this soundbar on. Okay, the soundbar is on now. Okay, and once you switch it on, the light, the wireless subwoofer. So we see the soundbar on and wait. Okay. The soundbar, okay, is on and is in Bluetooth. So what we need to do is we need to select optical from the remote. Okay, select optical, and now the soundbar is in optical. You can see it's in optical. Okay, so use the remote control. Okay, this is Bluetooth, this is optical, and HDMI. So use the remote control and select the cable you have. We have the optical here, and is in music, and also this wireless subwoofer is linked. If it's flashing, it means it's not linked. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to switch the TV on. So switch the TV on, and this is the TV. Okay. Double two. This is the TV audio. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the TV setting. Okay, and scroll down to the sound. Scroll down to the sound. This is TV speaker, so we need to select TV speaker. Select on it. Use the side button to go to optical. Okay, this is Bluetooth. This is mobile device. This is optical. Select. Here we go. So this is the audio sound. I don't want to leave this in one place. You can use the remote for the soundbar to increase the volume. So this is the audio. to increase the volume.
What about agreeing with the groups in terms of what they're demanding and meeting some of those demands? I mean, would you
can also change it from music to cinema.
And just stop oil. The government
This is cinema.
And should scrap all new fossil fuel licenses.
I think it's outrageous that we started fracking again.
This is the audio sound.
A retrograde step. But what I'm very concerned about is that these are not the ways to win those odds. These are not the ways to hold. So Tim did not mention for the climate.
So this is how to hook this up. Now what I want us to do is to hook this up using HDMI cable. Okay, so I'm just, before we do that, you need to unplug everything. Unplug the soundbar, also unplug the TV. Okay, now unplug the optical cable. Now this is, okay, from the back here, this is optical cable. The center one is USB for update. Okay, this one is HDMI ARC. Okay, so use the HDMI ARC cable, push it inside it, and it's in. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to, the other end, put the other end inside the back of your TV. Okay, so we're going to turn this TV around. So this soundbar is built for Panasonic TV. You can stand on it underneath Panasonic TV, but you can still use it to any specific TV you want. So this end goes inside HDMI into EAC. Okay, and the TV I'm using is LG TV, so it's in. Okay, now the next we need to do is we need to now switch the soundbar and connect the power cables back to the socket, soundbar and the TV. Now the next thing to do is you need to switch the soundbar on. Okay, switch the soundbar, and now the soundbar is on. Then you wait. Okay, and if you look on top, you will see it's in optical cable. So we need to change it from optical to HDMI ARC, and you can see the mode is cinema. You can change it to music. So use the remote control to select HDMI. Okay, so select HDMI, and now you can see it changed to HDMI and is in cinema. Okay, and also if you look, the soundbar is linked up. If it's flashing, it means that it's not linked. Now the next we need to do is we need to go to the TV and select, go to the TV sound. So switch the TV on.
Look at the budgets of local government as a formula.
You can see, so that this is the TV audio, and also it's also connected. So if you go to the output, go to the audio.
And getting them fixed more quickly than Conservative councils. So it is also.
So go to your TV sound and see.
I think about is, well, it is true. We'll come on to that.
So now this is actually connected. If you use the TV remote control to increase the volume, it's not. So you need to use the remote control, the soundbar, to increase the volume. But I want you to see that this is connected to HDMI. The way to do this is go to your TV settings and scroll down to the sound. You can see the sound out is HDMI ARC device. Okay, so if you can see the sound out is HDMI. So if you select on this, if you look, you can see it's HDMI device. Okay, so this is how to hook this up.
We can expect our roads to get worse and worse and worse, and we're on a managed decor.
And once it's up, the next thing you do is you use the remote control, okay, to increase the volume.
All sorts of taxation.
Likewise to reduce the volume.
Roads from fuel duty, VAT, road fund license.
You can see the audio is reduced, and also you can see that the audio is reduced. So once it's in HDMI, use the remote control to increase the audio. Now I also want to show you, then you select the sound to change it from cinema to music. Okay, so now is in music mode. then you can increase the volume. If you look here, you will see the sound is changed from cinema to music, and also it's showing us HDMI ARC. Okay, this is how to do this. If your TV is not in the HDMI, then you need to select, use the TV sound, go to TV settings and select the sound. Okay, so like I said earlier, go to the TV settings and wait, scroll down to the TV sound out. You can see HDMI ARC device. Now to connect this soundbar to TV via Bluetooth is what I want to show you. First of all, what you need to do is we need to switch the soundbar on. The wireless subwoofer and the soundbar will link up. Okay, and now both are connected. If you look here, you will see the light that is on here is HDMI and is in music, and also the subwoofer is linked. Okay, so now what we want to do is we need to select Bluetooth. Use the remote control to select Bluetooth. The Bluetooth light is now flashing. Okay, so switch the TV on and look for this device. So this is the TV, switch it on and wait. So go to the TV settings. Okay, this is the TV settings. So scroll down to this sound, scroll down to the sound. You can see it's showing us HDMI ARC. This was the setting it was previously, so you need to select the sound out. Okay, now use the side button to look for Bluetooth. Okay, and this is the Bluetooth. Scroll down to Bluetooth device. Okay, search for available device, select, and now what it's doing is searching for available Bluetooth device. Okay, here we go. You can see the device is available. So 2 devices available. So now the next, use the remote control. You can see this soundbar SC-HTB. Okay, scroll up, select, and it's connecting.
All right, I mean, let's just have a look actually at
so this is the audio. Okay, so something I noticed is when it's in Bluetooth, then you use your TV remote. Use your TV remote to increase the volume, okay, and decrease the volume. Then if you want to change cinema, the sound mode, then you use soundbar remote to change to cinema or music. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is how to connect this soundbar to your TV.